Welcome, my beautiful people, to D Dawn Kitchen. Guess what, guys? This morning, I am gonna do festival. You ever know about festival? Festival with escabeche fish, or festival with fried fish. Festival is so nice and so rich. It's one of Jamaican well-known dish. Here I have one egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of white sugar. If you don't want to use the white sugar, you can always use brown sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can use whatever amount of salt you want to use. It's optional. Here is my oil for frying. I'm using some olive oil. You can use whatever oil you choose to. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. 1 cup of yellow cornmeal. Some coconut milk. So this is coconut powder, and I mix it in some ice water. I put ice in it because you can see the ice. If you don't want to use the coconut milk, you can always use ice water. So guys, you're gonna whip your egg. When you finish whip your egg, it's supposed to be looking light like this. You want to combine all. First, you're going to need a strainer to sieve, and you need your bowl, your mixing bowl, and your sieve. So you're going to pour the cornmeal in. This is the cornmeal. You're going to put it in the bowl, along with the flour. Your baking powder, salt, and your sugar. Combine everything in one. And you want to sieve this. You always sieve for lump and for air to pass through whatever you're doing. So now that you finish sieve, you just want to combine, mix it around so everything is combined properly. With the coconut milk, I'm definitely going to use a measuring cup so you can see the amount of milk that I'm using. With the egg, remember, clean hands. Okay, guys? You want to make a well in the center, like that. And you're going to put your egg in. Here I'm using half cup. You're gonna put your coconut milk in, and you're gonna mix. You're not going to put all the milk in one. You just want to mix it until it becomes into a dough, and you can easily roll it. So definitely, as you see, it's still dry, so I'm gonna put some more coconut milk. This is 1 more cup, but you're not gonna use all of this now. You just use a little tip. Guys, remember, please, to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so when D-Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to be notified. Subscribe, guys. Don't hesitate to subscribe. I can reach a wider audience. You see, guys, this is how you want your stuff to be looking. If you want to add, you don't want it to spoil, so definitely if you put too much of the milk, it will be too soft. So you see, definitely I use half a cup of milk and about 1/4 more of that milk. You definitely don't want your stuff to spoil. This amount, well, that I'm doing is a serving of 6. So now I'm just going to put the oil in the skillet and get back over to you. Now, my beautiful people, we're going to make our festival now. Remember, I told you this can give you like 6. And it depends on how big you want to make them. So this is 6 equal parts. You want to flatten it like this. You see? You flatten the middle. You're gonna finish, complete everything just the same way, like this. Ensure the middle is flat. So you hold on both sides like this. The hands is on both sides. You see? Okay, guys, so we're gonna continue this until all is done. Some people do the some folks, they do the festival like this. Festival is always a long thing, but always ensure that you flatten the middle, because it's gonna rise and you want the middle to cool easily, like this. See? So now we're gonna move over to the skillet to put it in the pot. So now, my beautiful people, the oil is already in this skillet. You don't need your pot to be hot. Yeah, that's the oil to hot, because if the pot is hot, it will cause the festival to burn. Put your 6, right? You want to put this on very low heat. And my beautiful people, you're gonna fry the festival on each side until golden brown. And you don't want too much fire under the pot. That's like medium heat. And you have to pay close attention to the festival because it easily burns. So once the side is golden brown, I will flip it over and let you see. So now my beautiful people, I'm gonna turn and see how it's looking. Wow, see, it's golden brown. So basically, you turn the fire down, as I said, because meantime it's golden brown. You just need it to be, the oil to be soaking in every part of it. So I'm going to turn my fire down a little more. So basically this was in the pot for 5 minutes. I'm just going to lower the fire a little bit more because I want them to soak. Meantime they're browning. Then you add the milk to make, you have to make a soft dough, but firm enough to be able to shape, and you knead it very lightly. So here we go, man. You see it looking nice. Festival. Let me flip on this side again. Yeah, you want, when you break it in the middle, it's supposed to be soaked. It's supposed to fry. Okay, so just turn the fire down so the oil can penetrate right through. The festival is now ready. See, all the side is golden brown. You have to ensure it's golden brown on every side. So I'm going to remove them and we move on to the next step. Look at this. Festival is now ready. I'm going to break one and let you see on the inside. It is hot. You see, guys, it's cooked, it's soaked right through. See? It's not raw on the inside. Okay, guys? So, guys, festival. You can have this, as I told you, with escabeche fish, fried fish, salt fish, tin mackerel, whatever you want to have it with. You can have it with even some stewed beef, whatever. So guys, you like this video today? Remember to thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. I thank you all, my beautiful people. I thank you for watching D Dan Kitchen.